Hey people, I welcome you back to Caroline's Online Academy. In this series of videos, we're learning various concepts involved in accounting for share capital. And currently, we're doing forfeiture. And in the previous video, we learned how to account for forfeiture of shares originally issued at premium and the various intricacies involved in that. And in this video, I have another problem in which we look at it in a more detailed manner. Without wasting much time, let's go ahead and do that. OIS Limited issued 1 lakh shares of rupees 100 each at a premium of 20%. Payable as follows: an application 25, allotment 30 plus premium of 15 rupees, and in first call 30 plus premium of 5 rupees. So if you know, premium is actually receivable on two calls: allotment and application. Understood or not? I'm sorry. Allotment and first call. 15 rupees along with allotment and 5 rupees along with first call. And in second call, we receive the remaining, which happens to be 15 rupees. The company received 1 lakh applications and full allotment was made. Vishwadika, holding 1000 shares, did not pay allotment money. So Vishwadika has not paid allotment money, so she will not have paid anything after that. Pritika, holding 2000 shares, did not pay first call. Pritika hasn't paid first call, whereas Pritika did not pay the second call. So Pritika did not pay. And the shares were forfeited, pass necessary journal entries for forfeiture. So we got a pass journal entries for forfeiture. Let's go ahead and do that. The first thing that we need to ask ourselves is there's a question involved premium or not? Yes, it involves premium. And the next thing that we need to ask ourselves is, has premium being received? As I taught you in the previous video, if you haven't watched that video, go ahead and watch it. I've got the concepts involved in understanding how to account for forfeiture of shares originally issued at premium in the previous video. Go ahead and watch it. We'll do it separately for all the three shareholders. As I've already told you before, it's whenever there are more than one shareholder for who you have to forfeit the shares, it's always better to do it separately for them instead of doing it together. So I'm going to do it separately. So first we'll forfeit Vishwadika's share. Vishwadika did not pay allotment. Means what, my children? She hasn't paid anything after allotment, which means she hasn't paid any premium because premium was receivable along with allotment and first call, and she didn't pay allotment. So she will not have paid any part of premium, and therefore securities premium has to be debited. Whenever premium has not been received, securities premium account will be debited. Share capital account will be debited as usual in forfeiture, and share forfeiture account will be credited. Share forfeiture account. Calls in arrears account will also be credited. Shares forfeited. Vishwadika shares. Shares forfeited. What amount will securities premium account be debited with? It will be debited with the called up but unpaid portion of premium multiplied by the number of shares forfeited. So called up but unpaid portion of premium in this question is 20 rupees. As Vishwadika did not pay the 15 rupees premium along with allotment and the 5 rupees premium along with first call, it is 20 rupees into 1000 shares of Vishwadika. So that is 20,000. Share capital will be debited with the called up value of the capital, as it has not been mentioned as to when the shares were forfeited. We are assuming that the shares were forfeited after all the calls have been made, and therefore the entire 100 rupees of capital, which face value of the shares would have been called up, and therefore 100 into 1000, which is 1 lakh rupees. Share forfeiture will be credited with the paid up value of capital. As you know that Vishwadika did not pay allotment money, she only paid application money, which is 25 rupees, and on the 1000 shares it will be 25,000. And calls in arrears will be what, my children? It will be the remaining amount or the amount that Vishwadika did not pay. What Vishwadika did not pay is 45 on application plus 35 on allotment, first call, and 15 on allotment. So in total, Vishwadika has not paid 95 rupees of premium and capital. In calls and arrears, both the premium not paid and capital not paid will be included. Called up but unpaid portion of premium and capital is 95. This question, and therefore 95,000. Next, we'll go ahead and do it for Preetika. Preetika did not pay first call. Am I right, my dear children? So let's go ahead and see if Preetika has paid the premium portion. Pritika's case is tricky because she is paid allotment money, and therefore the 15 rupees premium that was made due with allotment she would have paid. But the 5 rupees premium that was made due with first call has not been paid by Pritika. Am I right or not, my dear? Because she didn't pay first call and second call. So some part of the premium she has paid, whereas the remaining part of the premium she hasn't paid. So what are we supposed to do now? We still have to debit securities premium account because some part of premium she hasn't. Pritika's shares forfeited. The amount that we have to debit Pritika with is a part of the premium called up but unpaid portion of premium. Totally 20 rupees premium was called up, but out of which allotment, along with allotment, 15 was receivable. That she paid. The 5 rupees receivable along with first call, she didn't pay. The 5 into 2000, which is 10,000. Just give me a second, my good children. And the capital portion is how much, my dear children? 100 rupees was called up, right? So 100 into 2000. Because they haven't mentioned when the shares were forfeited. So we are assuming it was forfeited after all the calls were made. All the calls have been made, then 100 rupees would have called up. Share forfeiture will be credited with the paid up value of capital. Understood or not? What is Vishwadika paid? I'm sorry, Pritika paid. She is paid application money and allotment money. Am I right or not, my dear children? So she would have paid in total 25 plus 45, 70 rupees. But out of the 70, she has paid 15 rupees as premium. So what she paid as capital is only 55 rupees. So 55 rupees only will be taken here. 55 into 2000. That will be 1,10,000. And calls in arrears will be the unpaid portion of premium and capital. Understood or not, my dear children? What Vishwadika did not pay is first call and second call, and the first call and second call together is 35 plus 15, which is 50 rupees. 50 rupees is the unpaid portion of capital and premium. So that 50 multiplied by 2000. Understood or not, my dear children? Pritika. 50 into 2000 is 1 lakh. Understood or not, my dear children? So thus we account for Pritika's forfeiture. The next thing to do would be Pritika's forfeiture. Pritika did not pay the second call, which means what, my dear children? She is paid application, allotment, and first call money. Premium was receivable along with application, allotment, and first call, and she's paid that, which means she's paid the premium completely. If Pritika has paid premium completely, securities premium account will not be debited, my dear children. Understood? Premium has been paid up. Securities premium account will not be debited while forfeiting. Chat forfeiture account will be credited and calls in arrears account will be credited. Pritika shares forfeited. Now, what is that, my dear children? Totally 3,000 shares were forfeited, right? And 100 rupees has been called up on all the shares. So 3,000 into 100, 3 lakh will be debited to share capital account. Share forfeiture account will be credited with what amount, my dear children? The amount paid up by her, capital portion paid up by her. Pritika has paid for application money, allotment money, and first call. So totally she would have paid what, my dear children? She would have paid 25 plus 45 plus 35. But out of the 105, 20 rupees was paid by her as premium. Am I right or not, my dear children? So what she is paid as capital is only 85. That will be credited to share forfeiture account, 85 into 3,000. And the remaining, whatever she hasn't paid, will be credited to calls and arrears. What she did not pay was the second call money, which is 15 rupees per share. So totally it is 45,000. With that, we have come to the end of this video and this problem, my dear children. As you can see, it's very simple. You just have to identify if the premium amount has been received or not. Sometimes the shareholder might have paid part of the premium, and the remaining part they will not have paid. In that case, you have to debit premium account with whatever has not been paid. The entire premium has not been paid, then premium account has to be debited with the entire amount. premium account has been completely paid, premium amount has been completely paid, then premium account will not be debited with any amount. Understood? With that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you people understood what we taught you, and you like. So please you like, share, and comment on the videos. Subscribe to the channel. It will help me. Thank you so much. You people take care. Have fun and bye bye.